This isn't a stock tip, it's a stock robot. I type in a stock, and in less than 60 seconds, a team of custom AI agents scans the live internet, reads the latest news, analyzes years of financial data, and tells me whether to buy, hold, or sell. And the craziest part is, I built this entire thing for free. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how exactly you can build your own stock analysis agent. Now let's deep dive into this video, and we'll see step by step how can we create this.
Welcome to Common Man Trading, empowering you to automate with AI.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Common Man Trading, where I am going to start a series. Moving forward, you will see a weekly video on my channel, so where we can automate our stock analysis, we can automate our trading using AI. So we are going to see number of videos going ahead in this series, how we can automate our trades, how we can automate our analysis using with the help of AI. So to do that, so first what we have to do, okay, before that, let's be honest, proper stock selection is a massive time sink. If you agree, you have to be a news analyst, you have to be a data analyst, you have to be a financial analyst, you have to be a market analyst. Okay, by the time you do all this analysis, but market has already moved and you cannot be all in one. Okay, you have to dependent on some news, you have to be dependent on some data, you have to see the charts, you have to have the fundamental knowledge, you have to have the technical knowledge to do all this analysis and come to a conclusion that you can buy a stock, or you can hold a stock, or you can sell a stock. But right now we are in August 2025, where we have AI superpowers with us. What if we could delegate all that work to our own personal team of AI specialists, which is nothing but our AI agents? So today we are going to build exactly the same that you are seeing here. So you will have a news analyst agent, you will have a data analyst agent, you will have a financial analyst agent, you will also have a financial advisor agent. What you have to just do is, you have to type your stock name in Telegram, so it automatically trigger this workflow, and all agents will be analyzing on your behalf, and the final output will be sent back again to your Telegram with the detailed analysis report of that particular company, particular asset, or that particular stock. So to start with, what technology we are using to build up this agentic workflow, or else this agentic AI agents? So we are going to use a tool called N8N. It is like having a digital assembly line for our data. So if you see, you can just go here, you can go into the Google, you just have to type the N8N and just click enter. So if you see here N8N, you can start free. When you click on this, you will see a window like this, and you just have to sign in. Okay, as I have already signed in, so it will ask for my account username. So instead of this, you can click on start a free trial, and you can enter your details, and you can get a 14-day free trial of this. Once you log in, you will be seeing this blank canvas. You will be seeing a canvas like this. So here you will have a plus sign where you can drag and drop anywhere. So here is this is the place where you are going to create your workflow, your agents, whatever you think that you wanted to create. You wanted to create agents that run on your behalf and do complete analysis and bring the final output for you. Now let's start building our workflow. How can we delegate our data analyst work, our stock analysis work, our financial analysis work, our advisor analysis work to our agents? The first step what we have to do is, we have to go here and rename our workflow. You can go this way also. Workflow, you can click on this plus symbol, go to workflow, click on personal, it will bring back to the same screen. Here you can rename your workflow, my stock analysis agent. Okay, you can have your own name. For test purpose I have renamed as my stock analysis agent. The first step is you have to click here on the plus symbol. You will see a window opening on your right hand side. Here you have to type the telegram. Just click on the telegram and you will see all these triggers. From this trigger, the trigger that we will be using is on message. Why you will be using on message trigger? Because when you send a message from telegram, automatically this workflow should trigger and it should do all the job that it has to do, and it have to give you the final output. So now when you click on message trigger, you will see a something like this, a window opening with all these details. So here you will see credentials to connect with. So here you have to connect your telegram account. How you can connect your telegram account? It is very simple. You can connect your telegram account. Just click here, create new credential. Here you have to give the access token. How you can get this access token from telegram? You might find number of videos how you can get the access token from telegram on YouTube, but quickly I will show you. So you just have to go in search, you have to type bot further. You will see a window opening like this. Here you just have to give slash new bot and it will ask to enter the bot that you wanted to create, chatbot. So you can give your name that should end with bot. Whatever name you give, that should end with bot. This is a stock bots. If you see Santosh personal stock bot, this is my own personal stock bot. When you click this, it will create your personal stock bot and it will also give you the access token. We copy paste this access token. We come here, we copy paste this access token. We will just click on save. Once you click on save, your details are authenticated and you will see that your telegram account connected here. So now when I click on my bot, it will take me into my bot window, where here I can give the asset name, I can give the stock name, company name, and my agents will run background of this, and the final output will come onto your telegram like this. So now here I have connected to my telegram account, and here trigger on. You will see when you click on this drop down, you will see n number of things here. From this you have to select message, trigger on new message of any kind, text, photo, sticker, etc. Whatever thing message you ping on telegram, it is going to trigger this workflow. Now I'll execute this workflow. If you see, when I execute this, now listening for test event, go to telegram and create an event. Now we have to go to telegram. I'm just typing here BTC USDT. I will just click on enter. Any asset you can take. You go here. If you see here, now the execution have stopped. Why the execution have stopped? Because this node got initiated based on the input which I have given. And if you see here in text, you see BTC USDT. It has captured whatever you have pinged using telegram. Now after this, we have to take another node called stock picker, where we have to convert this into stock picker. So let's take a node called set. You have to take this node, and if you see here, it should be manual mapping only, and here you should click on add field, and here you can give any name. It is stock ticker. I am just giving a name, and here it is the string. The string should be same like string, and in drop down you will see number, boolean, array. No need to change anything. It should be like string. And here in the value, what value you are going to give? The value which is coming from telegram. You can drag and drop here the value. Here you see this text BTC USDT. You just click on this text, hold, and just come here, drag and drop. Let me do one more time. Yeah, now you see this stock ticker is going to set this field with the name that we are entering in the Telegram, either any stock name or any asset name you enter, that will be captured by this stock ticker field. Now what we have to do, we just have to execute this step. Now when you click on this step, if you see here the stock ticker, what the output it is coming, BTC USDT, whatever message that is coming from Telegram, it has captured that message. Now we will go back. Hope you are clear till here. These are very two easy steps where you have created a Telegram ticker and where you have created a stock ticker. So here you can rename and you can give as stock ticker, and here you can give any name like enter stock name and rename. You enter stock name here, this stock ticker is going to capture the stock name which you have entered in Telegram channel. Now from here you have to delegate the work to News Explorer agent. To do that, you click here, go here, click on HTTP request, and you will see something window like this. Here in the input field you have already the Telegram node and you have the stock ticker node. Here in method you have to select post. Here in URL you have to give the URL. Here I am using the Perplexity, so where it is best for getting all the relevant news, all the recent news. It has good capability to bring the exact details what we are asked for. So now you have to go here, you have to give this URL. I will be sharing this document, I will be attaching this document here down the video, so you can look into this document. You can do the same process that I am doing here, so your agent will be ready. Next, what you have to do, you have to go here, you have to select the authentication type. Here authentication type will be two types. We will be going with the generic credential type. You can go with the predefined also. You can go here, select Perplexity, okay, and you can give your credentials, create new credentials. You can do this way, or else you can go generic credentials type. You can select generic auth type as header, and here if you see, already I have connected to my Perplexity API. How you guys can connect to Perplexity API, I have given details here. What you have to do, click on create new credentials. You have to when you click on create new credentials, it will ask for two fields. One is name, one is value. In name you have to enter authorization. In value you have to enter bearer space API key. How, from where you get the API key, whether it is free account or pro account, you can go here, you can click on API, and here you will have API keys. Here you can click on create a key, you can give a name and you can click create key, then your key will be created here. Already I have created a key here, so I can copy this key, I can come back here, I can type bearer space, I can paste this key here, I can give authorization, I can click on save. When I click on save, my Perplexity is connected to this HTTP request node. So now, as I have already connected, I am not repeating the same process again. So I've already connected here and I've given steps here what values you have to enter, so you can refer to this document. Now here below you see send query parameters, send headers, send body. So here we have to highlight send body, and here body type content should be JSON and specific body should be using JSON. Here now when you click on this small icon, it will open a window like this. So here you can come, you copy this JSON, whatever JSON I have given here, copy this, go back and paste it here. So now when you click on this, you see something JSON like this. Okay, in this JSON what we are saying, we are just saying you are an expert financial news intelligence analyst using mission to scan the web for material market moving news that should be critical for a financial advisor decision making process. You must identify 5 most significant news articles for a given stock ticker published within the last 90 days. Okay, within last 90 days, whatever latest 5 news articles that are published in web, it is going to scroll the web and pull that 5 latest articles based on the stock ticker name that we are giving. What is our stock ticker? It is BTC USDT. So here I have given this. Instead of this, if I am deleting this, I can drag this stock ticker, I can come back, I can drop here. Both are same. As I've already given in the JSON, you can just copy paste the JSON like this. Okay. Now I'll close this. We will execute this node and see whether it is pulling the details or not. So now I execute this node. Let's see whether it is going to pull the latest 5 articles. And after this, we should repeat the same step for 2 other nodes within data analyst, which is company info and financial statements, which will now, if you see in search results, we got 5 latest news articles. So here we have, it started from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 5 articles we have received from the web. So I will pin this so that the result will remain here. I'll go back. Now we have created the news analyst agent. So we can rename this news analyst. Now we can add another node, repeat the same process, HTTP request, select the post method, go here, I have given the steps. If you see here, repeat all same steps, same for both nodes, similar to agent 1. One change is both nodes will have different JSON body. The JSON body will remain different for both the nodes, but remaining all process will be same. You copy paste this URL, go here, generic credential type, and select header auth and select your Perplexity account here. Now I go here, send body, here body type JSON, here specified body should be JSON. I go here. So under company info, you will have this JSON body. Copy this, come back, paste here. Now open this. If you see here, what we are telling the company info agent, you are an agent, expert corporate data analyst AI. Your mission is to receive a structure, a comprehensive profile of a publicly traded company. Your financial output must be single clean JSON object enclosed in markdown code. So what it is going to give: full name, industry, who is the CEO, business summary, key segments, and competitive companies, and a brief description. It is going to return based on what? Based on the stock ticker. What is our stock ticker again? It is BTC USDT. Based on this input, it is going to pull the data. Now let's go back and we'll execute this node. If you see here, now based on this, it has pulled the data and it has given the full name, Bitcoin, Tether, USD perpetual contract. So all the details related to that Bitcoin, BTC, USDT, we got hit here in the output. Now go back and we will rename this as company info, and we'll create another node, HTTP request. Go here and repeat the same process, post and copy the same URL from here. Here also I am using Perplexity. Copy this, come here, go to generic credential type, go to header auth, and you select your Perplexity account here and click on send body, and here using JSON. Again here I have given you the JSON for the financial statements. It is going to give us the financial statement of that particular company. I don't think for BTC USD we have financial statement, but let's try. Okay, so if you see here what details I have given here, you are an expert financial data analyst AI. Your task is to retrieve key financial data of a company for the last 3 financial years. If you want 10, 5, whatever number you can mention here. You can edit this JSON. Instead of 3, you can give 8, 10, 5, whatever it is. So the output must be a single clear JSON array enclosed in markdown code block. So here you see fiscal year, total revenue, cost of revenue, operating income, all this will come here. Get a structured financial statement data for last 3 years for the stock ticker. Again, the stock ticker is, in our case, it is BTC USDT. We will also try with individual stock, but let's, for an example, I have taken BTC USD to see what data we will get actually. I am also little curious on this BTC USD, what data it will pull. Now I execute this step. When I execute this step, you see the output here. The output is empty because it does not have, it will not have any kind of financial data, because BTC USD is an asset where it is not a public listed company. So where you have that financials, how much it is doing each and every year, what is the PE ratio, all these things you will not have for a BTC USD asset. Now I will pin this data. I will go back. So now we have created 3 agents here. We will rename this as finance statements, or else we can give as financial report. Okay, so now we have created these 3 nodes. After these 3 nodes, what we have to do, we got the latest news data, we have got the company details, we have got the financial report. Now what we have to do, we have to have a agent where it should be capable of reading all this news, and it should be capable of reading this company info, it should be capable of reading this financial report, and combinedly it should do a proper thorough analysis and should generate a final report, where it should pass that final report to financial advisor, where financial advisor can go through that final report and can give the suggestions whether to buy, hold, sell, recommendations of that particular company, asset or stock. Now what we have to do, we have to click here, we have to go, or else you can click here AI, you can add this AI agent. Okay, when you add this AI agent, you get OpenAI free trials here. You can just use that free credits here, which N8N will give. When you click on that free credits, automatically you are connected to the chat GPT. So what prompt you have to give it here. Okay, so here I will give define below. Here in prompt I will go back here. You see what prompt I have to give for the financial analyst. Okay, in AI agent node, in prompt user message, okay, you have to copy paste and give this prompt. I'm copy pasting everything here. So same sheet will be provided to you along with this video. I come here in this text box, I am going to copy paste this. Now I will extend this. You will see what all we are capturing here. If you see here, we are capturing stock ticker. Okay, we are capturing latest news, we are capturing company info, we are capturing financial data, and based on that we are doing investment analysis report, we are doing financial performance health. All these things I have given here. So at last it is going to give forward looking outlook and actionable signified. So it is going to give us the final report in the structured format. Okay, so here I see some error here, recent news feed. I have to go back here. One second. So here what I give is I will rename it to get news. Now I'll come back here. I'll open this. Okay, obviously it should go. So I'll go back. Now here in options we have to click on options. We have to select the system message. In system message we have to copy paste and give this prompt. I will show you what this prompt is all about. So here I am copy pasting this. I'll go here. If you see, you are a managing director in equity research at a top tier investment bank. You are known for your sharp, incisive and commercially focused analysis. Your clients are sophisticated financial advisors who demand not just data but a compelling data driven narrative and actionable insights. Your core mandate, thesis driven, all these things I have given here. So based on this, it is going to generate the final report. Now we have given all parameters here. We'll go back and we have to add a chat model here. What chat model I am going to add here? I am going to add a OpenAI chat model. In this, if you see here NA10 free credits, I am using just free account. You just claim that free credits here, so you can use this same NA10 free OpenAI credits. Now here from the list you will see different chat models. From this model I am selecting 4.1 nano. You can select 4.0 mini, 4.0 nano, any model you can select. I am selecting this model. I'll go back and I can execute this node now. When I execute this node, I get problem in get news, invalid expression. Let me go here. So now if we see here, so we have news analyst here. We have all the content here. We just have to give this content. So what we'll do is we'll go back, we'll take this, you just drag and drop this content here. Now your news analyst agent is linked to here. So I will update this in this report as well, so that when you guys run you will not see any error like that. So I'll copy paste here, we'll go back and now we'll execute this step. The output will be the detailed financial report. Okay, the analyst is going to read through all news, all the company info, all the financial reports, and financial analyst agent, this agent is going to provide us the complete report of BTC USDT. If you see here, this is the complete report it is going to provide. Now we'll go back. Okay, now we have created our agent. What is this agent? We can rename this agent financial analyst. Now let's rename. Okay, so now this is a financial analyst. Now we need a final AI agent which is financial advisor, who can give us right suggestions whether to buy, hold, sell the stock or any asset, any company. Now here I have selected the AI agent again. So here instead of connect to trigger node, define below, and here in the system prompt you have to go here and I have given prompt here. If you see here for financial advisor, this is the prompt you have to enter. So here you have to copy this prompt copy till here, go here and paste here. Now we'll explore and see his. Here what I am saying, based on following comprehensive analysis report, generate a strategic trade briefing. Your final output must be concise summary formatted specifically for a telegram message. It must be clear, scannable and content only the most critical information. What is that critical? What is the output it is taking from the financial report? Whatever output is coming from here, this financial analyst, that output we are passing to this message. And here this is the stock name, which is in our case BTC USDT. Here it will give you the recommendation, strong buy, sell, etc. Conviction it will give, time horizon it will give, and here entry zone, target, stop loss, risk reward and key factors. It is going to give us all these details. So now let's go back and we have to do one more step here. Go here, add system message. In the system message, here I have given the message already for you. So you just copy this. You just have to go here, copy, paste this system message. What is this message talks about? You are a top tier hedge fund portfolio manager, renowned for your ability to fuse rigorous fundamental analysis with lethal technical execution. You do not simply advise, you construct and articulate comprehensive risk managed strategic trade. All these narratives I have given here. So based on this, it is going to provide output. So if I go back here, when I click on execute node, so sorry, here still we have to add a chat model. Let me go here, we'll add a chat model, OpenAI. So chat model we have added here. So again I'm using NIT and free credits. Okay, if you have paid account, you can go click create new credentials and you can give the API key. How you can give the API key? You have to go to openai.com, log into API platform. I have the paid account, but I'm still using the free account itself. When you go to dashboard here, you will see the API keys here. So I have keys here for social media, my test. So I can copy here, copy this key, or else I can go here, create new secret key. I can give some name here and click on create secret key. When I click on create secret key, I will get a pop-up window with a secret key. I'll copy that, come here and paste here and then just click on save. My paid OpenAI account will be connected. Right now I am using the free account. I have selected here 4.1 mini. Any model you can select here. I'll go back. Now I'll right click. I'll execute this step. I'll open this. Let's see what output it is going to give. If you see, trading BTC faces near-term bearishness, technical pressure, risking a pullback towards 110k, but strong liquidity and firm long-term. So I can see here it in schema, in table format, in JSON format. I can see this output here. Now we are getting this output. So this output we have to render back to the Telegram. How can we do that? We have to just click back here. We have to just click here. Again we have to select Telegram. And here you see different messages: send audio file, change section, change document, send a location, send a text message, all these things. In triggers we'll see what else we have. Okay, so on message, on poll message, this is not required. So we need send message. So send text message. When you click on this, you will see a Telegram account, same account I have connected here. You will see a resource. In resource you have to select message. Here operation should be send message. You will see different messages. Here chat ID. Chat ID from where you get from your first Telegram node. If you scroll down here, you will see chat, where you will have a chat ID here. Bring this here. keep it here. So your chat ID is here. What text you wanted to have here? The final output from this agent. So before I give this, we'll come back here. We will rename this as financial advisor. Financial advisor, rename. Now open this, come here. Under this financial advisor, this output field you will drag and you will keep it here in the text. Now I will go back. So here one more thing I have to make changes. Here reply markup should be none, and here additional field we have to add is parse mode, and here instead of HTML you have to select markdown legacy. And now when I execute on this step, what is expected? I need to get this output on my Telegram bot. So now I click on execute step. Node executed successfully. Now let me go back to Telegram. Do you see trade briefing BTC USDT? When we started our workflow, we have just given this message BTC USDT. Now you see the final output. BTC USDT faces near-term bearish technical pressure, risking a pullback towards 110k, but strong liquidity and firm near EMA 99 support. Okay, if you see here, recommendation cautious neutral, tactical short opportunity, conviction 7.5 by 10, time horizon 2 to 4 week swim, entry zone 115 to 1 lakh for short bias, this is for, and targets is 110 and 109 is the target too. Okay, stop loss daily close above 117,500 and risk reward is 1:3. And key factors, here it is given the key factors. Again, the more important thing to remember is, for informational purpose only, always manage your risk. Okay, though AI is giving us the final output, we also have to see the charts with our eyes, and we have to compare this output with the charts, and if we are still confident, then we can buy, wholesale our stocks or assets based on the output and our own analysis as well. Now if I go back and see our BTC USD, what it is doing, I'll go back into daytime frame. Here if you see, our BTC USD is in bearish position, so it has given the negative bias. It has asked us to wait for the pullback till 1,15,000 to 1,16,000. There we can short with this as the stop loss on daily close basis. So now we have created our total workflow. Let me rename this as output. Okay, now I will save this workflow. Saving is must, or else it will be difficult. So we have to save while we creating on the regular basis. Now we will run this entire workflow at once and see how it is going to act. Let me execute this workflow. Now it is waiting for the trigger. I will go here and I will give some HDFC Bank. Let me enter. Again, this is not a buy sell recommendation. This is just purely for educational purpose, how we can automate our stock analysis using different agents. So where they will run back of us, if you see company info, financial report, and it is going to financial analysis, it is going to do analysis. I think here we have to unpin this. Earlier we have pinned this. I think output might not come correctly because earlier we have pinned these nodes. They are carrying BTC output. Let's see how the output has come. HDFC Bank is a dominant market position. Recommendation strong buy, conviction 8 to 10, horizon 3 to 6 months. Entry zone is near 1450 to 1500. target 16 17, daily close less than 1400. So now let's give in fee. Okay, let's trigger this workflow one more time. Let's give Infosys. I just entered. Now see the news analyst agent is running, and you will see all other agents are running. So as we are using free accounts, so it will take little time. So if you have paid accounts and if you are using paid APIs, so that will run very fast with the good chat models. If you use, so the execution will be very fast. Within 1 minute everything will be done, all the analysis. Also the paid accounts are very cheap. If you go for API key for chat GPT or Perplexity, it is very cheap. It is calculated based on tokens. You'll get 10 lakh tokens for just 5 to 10 pounds. Okay, it is nothing, just below 10,000 rupees you will get 10 lakh tokens. So now if I go here and see, you see the output. Trade briefing Infosys present is a resilient strong growth IT services. Buy on dips Infosys conviction 7 by 10, time horizon 1 to 3 months, entry zone is this, targets are this, stop loss is this. Key factor solid Q1 F26 results with 7.5% revenue growth and upward guidance. Strategic 153 million acquisition and Telstra AI partnership. Okay, which is a good thing that they are moving more into AI. So these are the inputs that is going to output that is going to give us based on our input from the Telegram. So you, in case if you have to run this at back of your end, you can make this workflow active. Okay, instead of you every time clicking here execute workflow, you can make this workflow active, and you can come back here and you can give your input, you will get the output. Right now I'm just making it as inactive. Okay, so now here we have it. We have done the complete configuration in front of you. So how we can automate our total stock analysis using AI, which is N8N. Here we are using a tool, and inside of N8N we have created this workflow by using different AI tools like Perplexity, like OpenAI, ChatGPT, and we have used Telegram also. So all this we have connected to each other, and we have created this our complete stock analysis agent. So now you have your own team of AI financial agents working for you 24/7. This is incredible power of AI automation, and you don't need to be a genius coder to do it. All the prompts and then link to N8N workflow template will be given in the description, so you can build this yourself in minutes. If this blew your mind, do me a huge favor, just hit that like and subscribe button. I'm building crazy AI projects like this all the time. And now I have a question for you. What stock you will analyze first with your new AI assistant? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. We will be getting more videos in coming weeks. Every week I'll make sure I'll have one such video uploaded into this channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.